In this lesson, we're going to look at how rhythm can contribute to the mood of a piece of music. Let's listen to an example. Because most of these notes are of a longer duration, this rhythm could be said to be depicting peacefulness or tranquility. Longer note durations usually depict the less intense emotions or moods. 4/4 meter also contributes to this. Since the measures are longer, the notes within them can be of a longer duration. Of course, a lot of this also depends on the tempo of the piece. If the example above were played at a very fast tempo, the notes would sound as if they were notes of shorter duration, and thus would lose that sense of calmness. Let's look at another example. Just as longer note durations help to create the less intense emotions, so the shorter note durations help to create the more intense emotions. Because most of these notes are of a shorter duration, and because there are a number of different rhythmic patterns, this rhythm could be said to be depicting franticness or hurriedness. The 2/4 meter also contributes to this. Since the strong beats occur at a more frequent rate than in 4/4 meter, 2/4 meter usually sounds more hurried. Don't forget to factor in the tempo of the piece. Here's another example. Because this rhythm consists of the same pattern repeated over and over again, this rhythm could be said to be depicting persistence or resoluteness. This next example is in 3/4 meter. 3/4 meter can often suggest a rocking or swinging back and forth and can help to depict a very soothing or comforting mood. This particular motif, the half note followed by a quarter note, can sound like skipping when played at a quick tempo. This could help to depict a playful or joyous mood. As you can see, because of tempo, it is not a steadfast rule that notes of shorter durations depict more intense emotions, while notes of longer durations depict less intense emotions. Besides meter and tempo, one must also remember to consider the factor that dynamics and articulations can play in helping to shape rhythmic mood. For example, if we played the very first rhythm in this lesson, fortissimo, it would no longer sound peaceful, it would sound angry. Here is an example of how articulations can contribute to the rhythmic mood. Staccato articulations can create a lighthearted effect, while marcato articulations can create a more agitated effect. The examples in this lesson were just a few examples to help kickstart your imagination and give you some idea of how rhythm, along with the contributing factors of meter, tempo, dynamics, and articulations, can help to create the mood of a piece. The possibilities are endless. Experiment and be creative.